Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Blink Home Monitor app for cameras and sync modules, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into the Blink Home Monitor app, start by downloading the app from your device's app store. Open the app once it has finished installing. On the home screen, you will see a prompt to log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, tap on the login option. Enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the designated area. Make sure there are no typos in your email or password. If you have forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link to receive a reset email. Once you have entered your credentials, tap the Login button. Wait a moment for the app to process your login request. If your information is correct, you will be directed to the app's main dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your email and password. After logging in, you may need to grant the app permissions to access your camera and microphone. This allows you to fully utilize all features of the app. Now you can begin adding your Blink cameras and sync modules. To do this, follow the on-screen instructions provided by the app. Once everything is set up, ensure your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. After successful setup, you will have access to live feeds and camera settings. Enjoy monitoring your property with the Blink Home Monitor app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.